Hey everyone, so for those of you who know me and Mindjoy, we've been playing in AI Lab and we're learning really cool things every single day, and I thought I'd share some of my favorite workflows and tips with you. We're going to be creating an AI assisted mission doc. We will need three things. We're going to need a Google Doc, we're going to need a script that I've shared on GitHub, and you're going to need an API key from OpenAI. So usually working on a mission doc is a templated thing. And now instead of writing all the other sections out myself, I'd like to create a little tool that pops up over here and lets me create a mission doc based off of the background I provided. So we're going to head on over and go to extensions and open up app scripts. And then we will remove this function, and we're basically just going to create a script that lets us talk to OpenAI. What I will then do is head over here to GitHub and grab the script. I'm going to paste it in over here. This creates that menu that I'd like to have appear, and I'm going to name this menu. On my menu, I'd like an item that says mission doc because I wanted to generate a mission doc. I'm going to name my function generate mission doc, and then I need to actually write my function and make sure it performs the completion I'd like it to do. So I need to name this mission doc prompt. So this function is going to create a mission doc, and then I need to work on my prompt. So I don't want to just generate a completion based on a text input. I'd like it to actually create a mission doc. So I'm going to go and take this prompt that I've already created. I've created quite a detailed prompt for this mission doc. You know, here it says like it describes who I am. So it's like a bit of a show and tell method. So you are I'm going to say startup founder, and this is my mission doc. My mission doc's aim is to convince the reader why the problem is important, and create goals, deliverables, and help me think out all the stakeholders who are involved. So I'm just going to go over here and name this AI Magic. This is my AI Magic script. I'm going to save that. And one last thing is you will need to, in this fixed variable section, you will need to add your API key. So you go over to OpenAI's API key section, grab your API key, and pop it in over there. And then we're going to want to hit save and head on back to our mission doc. So you'll see nothing has changed. I may need to just refresh, and there it is, my AI Magic little menu bar, and there's my mission doc function. So I can select my background section, and then I'm going to run the script. Authorization required will pop up on your first attempt in using this. I'm just going to give permissions and say allow, and then head back to my mission doc and run the request again. We will see a mission doc appear. How awesome is that? So I'm going to need to do some work before I use this mission doc, but this gives me a great base to work off of. So I hope you find this useful, and let me know if you use this script.